Hey guys, welcome back to Everything Izzy 2009, and today I'm going to be doing Siri Picks My Slime Ingredients. So I already added in clear glue, as you guys can see from my fingers. Some clear glue. So let's just get right to it, guys. I have a lot of slime ingredients to pick from. So pick a random number between 1 and 25.
That would be
10. She chose 10, guys. Ooh, okay guys, so I got these new foam beads that I got. They are like these peachy colors. Okay guys, so let's add this into my slime. That's good. I used about that much, guys. Let's go again. Pick a random number between 1 and 25. 12. Okay, guys. Where is my 12? 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. My gosh, guys, did I even make a 12? Where is my 12? Okay, so I don't know if I actually made a 12. And if I did, I cannot find it for the life of me, guys. So let's just ask again. Pick a random number between 1 and 25.
The answer is 19.
Okay, guys, 19. Ooh, she got this blue fine glitter. So let's add this in, guys. Okay. About that much. Should be swell. I'm going to show you guys what the slime looks like at the end. Pick a random number between 1 and 25.
It's 25.
Oh, she picked 25. The last one possible. Yes, guys. Okay, so she picked the one I wanted. This gold confetti. I love this, guys. I love this one. Okay. Ah! Can't open it, guys. Okay. Okay. There we go. That should be good. Because it looks pretty, but it will poke your hand, so. Okay, guys, so that one's done. Not 11. Pick a random number between 1 and 25.
It's
11. 11. Okay. Let me find a 11. Ooh, okay, guys, so. She picked for me these. Couldn't reach it. These blue confetti. I'm gonna have a very pokey slime. Okay, guys, I need to open this. Okay. Add in that much. Not too much. Lex, I'm not. Oh my gosh. Why do I keep saying that? Pick a random number between 1 and 25.
That would be 22.
22. Okay, she got me these. This pink one. Okay. There we go, guys. Pick a random number between 1 and 25.
It's 23.
23. 22, 23. Let's find that guy. Where is it? Where is my 23? 23. 23. Where is my 23? Okay, guys. Doesn't look like I made one. I am forgetful every single day. Pick a random number between 1 and 25.
It's 26.
I said 1 or 25. Scratch. How did I get that? I don't know. Pick a random number between 1 and 5. Oh, wait, never mind, guys, never mind.
I found this on the web.
Pick a random number between 1 and 25.
It's 18.
18, okay, guys. Yes! I got this black clay. I'm gonna add this in at the end. I love clay and I love the color black. So, yes! Alexa, pick a random number between 1 and 25.
The
Your
answer
random
is
number
22.
between 1 and 25 is 7.
What did I say? Okay, she picked 22 for me anyway, so. That one, folks, I got the... 1 second! Sorry about that, guys. My mama just called me, so I got these fishbowl beads, so let's put some of these in there. Okay, guys, so. Last round, guys. Oh, last round. Pick a random number between 1 and 25.
It's
4. Okay. She picked my 4. 4. Yeah, guys. She picked for me these sprinkles. I have not added these into any of my slimes at all before, so it's nice to put these into one. Okay, guys, so that should be enough. Now it's time to activate. Let's mix this first. Oh, this looks like a nice slime. Now let's activate. Okay, guys, so I gotta go quick because my mom just called me. So, gotta go quick, 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 gotta go quick. Okay, guys, so comment down below how well are you right now. Just talk about how you feeling. If you're sick or not, because I'm sick. My whole family's sick right now. It's probably like the back to school bug or something. So yeah, guys, let me... Okay, I can go with my hands now. Nope, this feels terrible with my hands right now, but it'll feel better whenever I activate it all the way. So let's activate some more. Gotta go quick, gotta go quick, gotta go quick, gotta go quick. Okay. Alright, so, this is what it really looks like right now. So let's keep mixing, guys, keep mixing. Okay, so the color, like that peachy foam beads, it turned into white foam beads. Yeah, so now let's add in my clay, my black clay. It's probably gonna turn it black, but it'll look kind of cool because all the add-ins and all that I already have in there. So let's add in that much clay. Gotta go quickly, gotta go quickly, gotta go quick. Quickly. Oh, so much kneading. There's like a clump of clay in the middle right now that will not mix in. It's kind of turning it black a little bit, guys, so I will fix this slime off camera, but I told my mom I'll be down there in a second, so this is really the final product, so I hope you guys liked this video, and remember, your life is worth it. Goodbye, guys.